To turn on or turn off Wi-Fi in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Network and Internet, and then tap Wi-Fi switch until on to turn on, or tap switch until off to turn off, or click or tap Wi-Fi, and then tap Wi-Fi switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Or you can also tap Earth icon and then tap the Wi-Fi icons until blue to turn on, or tap Wi-Fi icon until gray to turn off, or until white to turn off. Or you can also tap arrow icon and then tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.